Hello everyone, this is AJ. I'm a digital marketer and creator of Digital Nuggets, and I'm proudly mentored by one of the greatest influencers of the marketing world. And now I'm helping people to create engaging content to scale up their business. So learn and grow with AJ only on Digital Nuggets.
Again, hello to everyone, all those who are watching this video. We are going to start with a basic tour of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is to go on canva.com on your browser. I'm using Chrome. So this is the front page or the basic cover page of canva.com. So you can see that they are targeting the current scenario of coronavirus. So you can see the lady is lying there relaxing and they're saving Earth. So stop spreading the fake news. So this is the page of your own account. You can go on account settings, change your email ID, change your passwords, and change your brand kit and all other account settings. You can go for billing and teams, printed orders. You can sign up, get help, refer friends, and on around. You can directly click here and go to home. You can see all your designs, templates, photos, apps, brand kits, design school. You can create team. So this is all sort of a create design. You can see all sort of templates here. So the brand kit is the main focus of Canva. The brand kit contains all your professional and pro packs, pro designs. So these are the basic templates. You can design Instagram posts, logos, posters, animation, social media, presentations, photo collage. You can even go and see your own designs. So these are the basic templates of logos. These are for there are several types of different logos around there. You can go for Instagram posts. You can see these are the templates of posters, YouTube thumbnails, presentations. So now this is the basic tool of Canva. So we are going to first start with basic Instagram post. Before that, this is the help icon where you can go and ask for help from Canva professionals. So you can either type here on the search bar, or you can click on this tab that is create a design and scroll down and select what kind of design do you want. You can have Instagram post, Facebook cover, YouTube thumbnail, certificate, reports, lesson plan, etc. You can even go for custom dimensions if you are not sure about your dimensions. First thing that we are going to do is select a custom dimension that is of Instagram post 1080 to 1080 pixels. So once you select your custom dimension or any other post design that you want, Canva will take you to this page. So on the left side that you are seeing is templates, photos, elements, text, etc. that you can add to your designs. So these are some basic templates that you are seeing here. They are targeting different occasions, different templates, different professions, different jobs, different employees. So this is the basic post that we are going to create. This is a birthday invitation, spa birthday party invitation. So these linings what you are seeing here is a Canva Pro design, but this will be removed once you download. So you can change the name, you can change the text, you can change the color, you can change everything in a template design. So let's say I just say it's relax with AJ, or you can go for relax with any name that you want. You can even select any other template. So I'm just showing you that how a basic model of Canva works. So let's say we say relax with Shivi. You can change the text, you can change the designs, and the thing that you are seeing here, these are all grouped. So you can change the number, let's say 7 0 0 0 0 7 4 0 7 again 0 0 0 0. You can even change the color of these strips that are on the top and bottom. So thing is, the text what you are seeing here is a group. So if you want to ungroup them, then you can simply go for Control Shift and G. So if you move this up and down, you will see that they are moving together. If you want to move separately, you can do that because they are grouped. And if you want to ungroup them, you can go for Control Shift and G. Now you can see that they are ungrouped, and I can move each and every text, each and every portion of that particular template as anywhere that I want around this design. If you want to bold or change the font of your design, you can simply select the text click on bold. You can increase the size as you want. Again, we make it a little bit bold to look at great. We are just trying to show you that how a basic model of Canva works. So this is, and you can even change the background color. So you can choose colors from the pre-offered colors by Canva. You can even go for photo color that you are seeing there. And if you are not satisfied with the colors that Canva offers and their pre-designed colors, you can go and click on new color. You can adjust the color cursor wherever you want and what kind of color you want. Do you want to look at dark? Do you want to look at light? You can go anywhere you want. You can create any design on Canva. If you want to add a basic photo, you can just simply click on it and the photo will be there on your design. So let's say this is a birthday party invitation. So this is what the sign that you're seeing here, that the ground sign is only for those who have the pro pack of Canva. And the design seeing here, it's free. You can simply drag it and move around wherever you want. So this is how you can add photos to your design. If you want to have different elements like say shape, colors, frames, grids. So this is one of the hottest topic around the world, that is coronavirus. So they have made every design of coronavirus free because they want to attract their customers and attract their audience. So you can select any sort of elements that you want. So this is a birthday party invitation. So we are going for an element for birthday parties. You can simply select your element and click on birthday party. You can go, these are the elements that Canva offers. So again, that the sign you are seeing there, that the ground sign is only for those who have pro packs. If you want to add your own text, you can simply go and add your own text by clicking on the text icon. These are some basic combinations of text that you can add to your design. If you are not satisfied or you want your own font combination, you can simply click on add a heading or add a subheading and you can add your own design. So let's say digital nuggets. Once you have completed your text, you can increase the space by dragging it to right or left. You can and let's say we are going to change the color to dark blue. And the thing you are seeing here around the cursor is alignment. So this is center aligned. If you move it to left, this is left aligned. Now this is perfectly using the whole space. And now this is right aligned. So I prefer center aligned. So we are going for center aligned. So this thing around the cursor is used for adding points and so on. This is the position. You can go for top, bottom, left, center, middle. You can even move your text backward to a particular image. You can even move your text forward to a particular image. Let's say if you want to change the font of your text, so what you are going to do is simply click the text and you can change it by these are the headings, these are subheadings, and you can select your text and you can simply click on this icon. So these are the font designs or the font styles. So we are going for script. This looks a little curvy, so you can add any type of font style that you want for your designs. You can even add music to your design. So this is a Ginger Girl music. If we play this, so the sound you are hearing is of that music. So you can add music by clicking on that particular song and the music will be added to your designs. And if you want to add video, it's Canva. The simplest thing on Canva is just drag and drop. You can drag a video, drop it to your page. So if you click on that icon, it will go to a new page. You can click on video. So the video is there on your design. So if you want to have it on your full screen, you can select set video as background. So now this video is completely using the secured space for Instagram posts. So now this video is your background. You can add text, you can add stickers, you can add emojis, you can add your own photos on this video. So this is a birthday party design. So we are going to see a birthday party video. So just type birthday party and you will have different sort of videos that you can use for your designs. So again, the sign that you're seeing the ground is for Pro Pack. Simply click and the video is there on your design. If you want to detach that, you can simply click on detach video from background. You can delete the video by simply clicking the delete button on your PC keyboard. We are going to do the same thing again, that is set video as background. So now this video is on your background. You can also trim the video if you think that it's too long. So we are going to trim it to, let's say, 4 seconds, because 4 is my lucky number. So we trimmed it to 4 seconds, and now the chocolate cake looks really delicious. Okay, things apart, now you can add different backgrounds to your design. You can simply go on add a new page. So this is the blank page. You can scroll down and select the backgrounds that you want. So this is one of my favorite backgrounds. And but now we are discussing the birthday party design. So we can have birthday party. Let's say what we are gonna see in birthday party backgrounds. Okay, so there is only one background in birthday party. Nevertheless, you can add your own backgrounds. You can choose a colored background, let's say this, or you can choose any colored background. So now this is one of the most important parts from Canva, that is you can create your own folders of your own designs and of your own videos. So if you click on that more icon, you can find really good things around Canva. So these are some basic embedded apps that are for those people who are using Canva. You can have Pixels, Pixabay, Embed, Emoji, Facebook. You can have your own QR code of your websites. You can insert Google Maps to your design. You can insert GIS. You can go for Google Drive. You can share on Instagram. You can import from Instagram. So the thing that is in this is chart. So that you can go for Pixabay, Pixels, and these are sort of free photos that they offer. The free stock photos only for those who are using Canva. So this Canva, the simplest part of Canva is drag and drop. You simply click on the design, click on the photo, click on the video, click on the text, and that text design photo is on your design tag. So these are some of my uploads that you are seeing here. You can even delete your uploads from clicking that dotted sign and clicking on trash. So these are some of my uploads that you are seeing here. If you want to upload your own, we will see that further in this video, that how to upload your own image or video. Before that, this is all sort of the left side of your design. You can hide this by clicking on that arrow. And now this is your design that you have designed. Just for now, this is the basic tool of Canva. So you can give the name of your design like this. So this is relax with Shivi. So this is a video because you have added videos. You can delete the page of your video, and let's say if you have 2 pages like this, and if you want to move it up, make this your first page or your front page, you can simply click on arrows that is move up and down. You can add notes to your particular page of a design. You can add titles to your particular page, let's say number 2 or number @ So this is some sort of designs that you can create through Canva. You can click on file, save your progress, show the printed designs, download, help make a copy of it. You can directly share it to different platforms, and you can edit the link and share the link. You can use it as a template also. You can download it and you can publish it. You can share your links. You can publish it to your Facebook page. You can publish it to your Twitter account, your Twitter page. You can publish it to your Pinterest page. You can publish it to as many platforms as you want. So if you click on download, this is the PNG. This is preparing your design. Once your design is prepared, you will see that it's download just below the bar. So now we are going to see that how to upload your image. You can simply just click on that design or click on your photo or video that you want to upload, click it and drag and drop it. So your upload has been started. Before the upload is completed, you can use your design. This is one of the best parts of Canva. Before upload, you can use the designs or photos or videos. You can embed them into your designs. If you don't want to drag and drop, you can simply click on upload image or video and you can upload them simply by that we used and word. So this is just a basic tool of Canva. In further videos, we are going to see how to design Facebook posts, how to design Instagram posts, how to use frames, how to use elements. We are going to see every corner of Canva. So stay tuned and stay updated. Wait, this video is not still over. There's something to show you just left. So the three icons that you are seeing here is number of pages, the zoom in and zoom out. It can go from 10% to 300%, and this arrow will take you to the full screen. So you can view the final design on full screen, that how will it look on different devices. So this is all for this video. Stay tuned, stay updated. We are going to see lots of things on Canva, how to design different posts, how to design different videos. We are going to see every corner of Canva. Don't forget to subscribe and